Up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, let's get to it. Market selling off. Got the fear of AI. Got AI fears. We're gonna buy this cash flow. Still gonna get some of those stocks in the Magnificent Seven. That's not gonna go anywhere. AI not going anywhere. They got too much money invested in it. It's not gonna go anywhere. You already know all the layoffs and everything else they got going on right about now. All that is due to AI. They're gonna be taking jobs. Robots are coming. It is inevitable. There's nothing you can do to stop it. All right. Um, let's get the trade, man. A lot of these stocks coming down, but why do stocks come down? For me to buy them, for me to pick them up. Let's just look at this one. I think this one up wasn't on my watch list, but since it's right there, got Arca Aviation 680 today. That's why it's not on there. What this got down to today? I got this 75% buy, 25% hold. Today's low, they got down to what? 657. That's low enough for me to buy. I'm going to get me a share of this. Anytime you can catch this under $7, this a buy. Get me two pairs. Give me a pair. 657. I am using margin. Just for y'all to know. I'm going to use these people money. And I'm going to let the dividends pay it back. All right. Now let's get to the list. Let's go to search. YMAG. Options on the Magnificent Seven. Pay out every week. Got down to 1270. Like I said, you ain't got to load up on nothing. The day is actually green. Now I'm just going there and get me $2 worth. Reinvested dividends from YMAG and all those other ETFs that I don't use. YMAX. Get a little bit of that. Like I said, ain't loading up on nothing. When they come down, I add another $1, $2, $3. All that loading up on these, ain't doing it no more. 29.50 clip got down to 29.29 today. I do like clip. Pay 60 to 68 cents a share every month. PFLT, I brought a boatload of this one. I had some old buy limit orders. Got down to $8.40. They got a 62% buy, 37.5% hold. They had bad earnings. Not saying they got a dividend payout ratio of 173%. That's a lot. I mean, but BDCs and REITs, they most of the time, unless you trade in Realty O, and some of the other ones that got the 3.47% yields, they're gonna have the lower dividend payout ratios. This got a 14.25%. Pay 10.2 cents a share every month. Got down today to 840. Made a new 52-week low. What am I doing? I'm buying it. Yeah, see, I ain't got to load up on it. Just lower my average cost for that dividend. I'm at $9.64. Got Bull. Bull got down to 553 today. Ain't got to load up. Just $2 worth. This market right now is so funny. TCPC or BDC. Lowering my average cost on this one down to 470 today. Get me 2 shares of that. This one you can stay out of. If you're gonna do a BDC, I'd rather you do one that pay every month. This pay out every quarter. Glad came down. This pay out every month. Gladstone came down to 1840. I did get some shares of this one. Going in buying dollars, add on to it. Buying up cash flow while it's cheap. Earn, I definitely bought like 60 shares of this today. Had some old buy limit orders. Then Earn got down to like 478 today, 498. Pay 8 cents a share every month. It's at 506. Got down to 498. 52-week low is 432. Am I buying at these prices? Yep, because it's going to go back up. You want to stay in my buy limit zone? Go get me 2 shares of that. Got 163 shares at 507. GPMT. Granite Point Mortgage, stay out of this one. Nothing but a swing trade here. Down to 180. Little 2 shares just to add on to it. OXLC 40 cents a share month for 9 star in April, gonna reduce it to 20. That's why it is selling off. People ain't loyal to it. I am. Give me $3 worth of that. WEN Wendy's. Wendy's definitely sold off. Got down to 674. They lowered the price target on Wendy's to $10 a share. But how things work, Wendy's come out and have good earnings, then the stock gonna go up. FLO Fly Foods down to 9.51 a day. Right now, look at that dividend yield, 9.48%. And they hike their dividend every year. So definitely buying that. You the CEO of your portfolio. Is it risky? Yes, it's a food stock. I'm going to buy it, and later on, I'm going to make my exit. SoFi Technologies got down to 19.11 a day. I'm at 23.61. I'm going to just cash up, go get $2 worth. And they say we can be going into a recession. How true is that? I don't know. Netflix got down to 75.30. Go get you some of that. 52-week low, 75.23. Got Hood, 72.87. Gonna get NFLY, I'm sorry. Bring that Netflix down. This one definitely getting stumped out too. Check AMZN. Amazon got down to 196. Definitely go get you some of that. AMZY, or Amazon down. Got to get that. It's a green day today, so just get me $2 worth. Another one, IIPR for y'all that's down in this one, $45.21, 16.55% dividend yield every quarter. They rent out the warehouses to the marijuana growers. Microsoft, MSFT, $394.53. 52-week high is 555. Upside about 160 bucks. Definitely got Microsoft today. MSFT FO. There's options on Microsoft. $2 worth of that. Uber, $69.70. We'll get you some of that. 101.99, 102 is the 52-week high. All it takes is them good earnings to come. Have good earnings, that stock gonna shoot up. When it shoot up, scalp profits, keep it moving. XLF down to 51.82. Why do I buy this one? These are the top 10 holdings: Berkshire, Visa, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, JP Morgan, MasterCard, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, American Express. Get all those under one umbrella. BTCC down to 15.93. I got a buy limit order, I think 15.62. This need to go back to doing fractional shares. And let's see if they took it off. Nope. Anyway, I got YBIT. Anyway, SPYT down to 17.06 today. 17.19. Time to go pick up some of this. Pay out every month. 33 cents a share. HRZN, 11 cents a share every month. Straight cash flow to buy. This one been trading sideways for the last couple of months, which is fine. You don't need to do no less than sideways. That's 11 cents a share a month there. IWMY, 1970 to 1992. Let's see, right now I'm cashing up, and so you don't know how long this thing gonna be down. It's ugly. Look at QQQY. The QQQ came down today, 22.08. It's pay out every week. With that cash flow, man, that cash flow. LFT, stay out of this one. Lumen Finance down to 131. This one I'm trying to hit a swing trade on, and it's gonna exit my position. Does have a nice dividend yield though. Got a 16% dividend yield, pay out every quarter. Got Medifast right there, MED. Definitely stay out of this one. Ticker ABR, Arbor Realty Group down to 744 today. 743. Pick me up some of that. 30 cents a share every quarter on Arbor Realty. AIYY down today. Pay out every week. See, just show you something real quick. I could have went back. Got $7.95 last week. Paid 15 cents a share for the week. Do not load up on it. WMT. Walmart got to 128. Come on, man. WMT. 128.92, down 4.95%. Definitely best be buying that dip. Get a little $5 worth, add on to Walmart. Love and hate relationship with this stock. I'm gonna make my exit, but it does kick out dividends. KHC. I think it pays like 34 cents a share every quarter. Dividend yield like 6 point something percent. 6.45%, 21.98 low, 52 high, 33, 35. You're not gonna get no growth out this stock. It's just for income. I got a sell limit order at $26 on it to make my exit. General Mills, I am definitely making my exit out of this one. This is a dividend play for you to hold. I'm not with this company. I'm not with the processed food, the ultra processed food. All they sell is high carb, sugary snacks, cereal, sugary, not healthy. Everybody obese, giving health problems in the United States. I ain't trying to save the world. I take care of myself. I work out. I'm on a no added sugar diet. On the weekends, I might cheat. If I'm at mama's house out, I get a piece of cake on the weekends. But my daily activity and lifestyle, I stay away from sugar. Especially them added sugars. I get my sugar out of fruit, and that's about it. Except on the weekends, if I cheat, when I'm at a birthday party, I get a cake, take off the icing, or cupcake, take off the icing. My mama make me a cake, like for my birthday. I got a chocolate cake made with no icing. I try to do as less sugar as possible. All right, General Mills, dividend yield 5.03%, 52-week low 42.78 with a high 67.35. Tell you right now, you ain't gonna see no 67 again. You can. Like I say, it's a dividend play. I'm just making my exit because I'm not a fan of the stuff they sell, and also because I don't like the food industry. Like I say, Wendy's, General Mills, KHC, I'm making my exit. Diageo, Brown-Forman, all them liquor stocks I got out of. People drinking less and other things with it. Stick a DEO, see how that's trading today. 96.83 coming back down. Like I say, this will go hit about $99, $100, then they come right back down and be right back around $89 again. That's why I got my money in Rand. BF Brown-Forman. Let's look at that one. It hit 30 and go right back down around about $26, $27. So 52 high, $38. Like I say, they say liquor, they're gonna start putting the stuff, the stamp on the bottle saying that, this cause cancer and all that. Guess they doing that so nobody can come back with them later on a lawsuit. They're gonna put it next to drink responsibly. Like I say, that's on there in case you get to drinking, getting drunk, get in the wreck. It's on you because we told you drink responsibly. Alright, let's go check out traps. Got some nice buys in for the day. I can see that. P6 still holding above the $3 mark. That's where that need to stay, so I don't have to buy any. Up 7.98%, $433. Dividend payout coming at $87.48. Cash flow play, 52 high, $4.47. Man, it would be hella nice if that thing can go there because I'd be paid in the shade. I will scalp profits, believe me. Alright, KHC, we got that. Granite Point Mortgage, LFT, we got that. Dow down 3.69%. 31, we at 26. Gonna leave that alone. It's a quarterly dividend play. Got TCPC. Comcast, I put a sell limit order in, I think at $34. Let me go back to it. Got a strong dividend. I got it at $33, I'm sorry. Got a 52-week high, $35.90. P ratio 5.8. Under value stock. 4.19%. 4.18% dividend yield. That is very strong. I can get that from somewhere else though. And that's it. I'm going for cash flow, retiring early. All that growth stock stuff is good. Yeah, it's safe, but it's safer stuff. I get an energy stock and get that. But there is a nice stock to have. Though. I'm just where I'm at. I can always buy back into it if it dipped down around about $26. I like that to be my average cost. My average cost right now is too high at $31. On Yahoo Finance, it got a year estimate of like $33 and some change. So I can take mine at 33 and run. If it ever dip down to 26, I can buy back in. But you got to question yourself, why did it dip down to $26? Do you really want to be caught up in that headache again trying to get out of it? But it can be a nice swing trade at those prices. GSBD, strong 14% yield, nice quarterly payout here. That's where I'm going at. I just got back from Myrtle Beach, went by myself, left the kids here. They want to stay at their mother, had me a nice weekend alone. Ain't gonna be doing that more on the regular. Y'all just look at my channel. I'm gonna put the shorts and stuff up, the timeshare I stayed at and all that there. I am an owner with Blue Green. So went up there, got some more trips planned. All I'm about to do now is travel. Next month I'll be in Sacramento and also got to go to Orlando. Probably gonna hit Myrtle Beach again in April. Be one of my little getaway spots for 3 days or whatever. We did get Wendy's. I'm gonna get some more while I'm here. Dividend play. Let's see what the Wendy's dividend yield is at now. Wendy's are closing locations, so they're gonna operate leaner, so it can look better with their revenue. 8.96% yield. That is a strong yield. They done cut their dividend before. They get earned. DEA down 1.02%. 23.72. We at 23.54. I'm here. I go get some anyway. So when it does shoot up, does have a strong dividend yield. Um, 52 year high 29.49. 1933 is the low 8.4%. I'm trying to think, when did I buy General Mills on this thing here? I thought I'd been sold this and got out of it. Anyway, I keep it there. Whatever. Let me get up out of this sale. But I'm down. Down nothing. Sell all of it. We ain't even about to start here. Sell off. How this pattern day trading? Oh, because I brought it today. I must have brought it today. Anyway. You can't hang around. Got to get out of you. When she go up, she gon' LFGY payout every week. $20.94. $2 there. That is the cryptocurrency. You know, that's getting beat up. Crypto ETF. HPP. Had a green day. Now it's back down. Y'all stay out of this one. Fiat down 1.52%. Actually, I'm up. Coinbase was having a good day earlier today, though. We already got OXLC. OPP's coming down. 788. 798. Going to get. Let's see, Robinhood like it's freezing up. Another dollar of that today. Pay out every month. I know CALM and CRF is coming down. I brought these over from Robinhood. Pay like 11, 12 cents a share a month for these. I brought them over here so I can trade them here. Probably gonna sell my other positions in my thing portfolio. 733 at 732. $3 worth, lower that average cost. Alright, 757. So I say ain't loading up on nothing. Got ACHR, Kinetic. Is the oil stock, which we up right there. Leave it alone. Everything else is looking good and up to par. All right, enjoy your day. Signing off. Go get your money. Talk to you later.